Hi, That Clean Life community. In today's quick tip, we're going to show you how to find the right recipes for your clients using filters. First, click on filters at the top of the recipe gallery. From here, you can search for recipes in a variety of ways. The first way is based on time or number of ingredients. These filters are the best way to find simple recipes that come together quickly and use a few ingredients. Next, you can add filters based on tags, including diet types, such as dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, anti-candida, autoimmune, low FODMAP, low histamine, and so many more. We also have tags for meal types like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or cooking method like slow cooker, pressure cooker, or one pan. You can see a full list of tags by scrolling through the list here. You can filter based on ingredients you want to include and ingredients you want to exclude. This is great if you're working with clients who have food sensitivities or allergies. You can also filter for recipes based on nutrition information. Under the Nutrition tab, you can filter for recipes based on calories, macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. You can add as many filters as you'd like, which makes finding the perfect recipes for your clients a breeze. Let's say your client Nora has come to you as she needs help with nutrition strategies to help her cope with her menopausal symptoms. Nora tells you she doesn't have much time to cook. She also has celiac disease and a dairy allergy and does not like spinach. And because she's menopausal, you also want to focus on things like ensuring she gets enough calcium, magnesium, protein, and also blood sugar control. Let me show you how easy it would be to find the perfect meals for Nora. Hit filter, and let's start with time. Let's look for recipes that take under 30 minutes to make so that it's quick and easy. Next, for tags, we will pick gluten-free, low glycemic, and dairy-free. Under exclude ingredients, we will exclude spinach. Under nutrition, we will search for options that are at least 150 milligrams of calcium and at least 100 grams of magnesium, as well as at least 15 grams of protein. Next, click Filter Recipes, and now we can start building Nora's meal plan with the recipes that are perfect for her. You can also use the bookmarks feature to save filter sets, so you don't have to enter them again. Once you've applied the filters, click Bookmarks, and then click Create Bookmark. Give your bookmark a name that will easily let you recognize it in the future. Then click Create Bookmark. Now when you click Bookmarks, you will find a list of the bookmarks you've saved in the past, and you can quickly apply these to all future searches. Thanks for tuning into this quick tip. If you have any questions, send us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com. We're always here to help.